coffee, grease, pet accidents, ink, car upholstery holds onto stains differently than household fabric, and most general stain removers aren't formulated for it. I tested 7 upholstery stain removers from Amazon on the same cloth seat to find what actually lifts them. Here's the ranking. The first on the list is the Chemical Guys Foaming Citrus Fabric Clean. This high-foaming cleaner penetrates deep into carpet and upholstery fibers. The citrus scent leaves your cabin fresh and clean. Professional-grade results deliver stain removal that tackles embedded grime. The formula works on seats, floor mats, and all fabric surfaces. Safe application requires no special protective equipment. However, the foaming action requires thorough rinsing to remove all soap residue. For comprehensive stain penetration, Chemical Guys Foaming Citrus is a solid choice. At number 2, we have the Chemical Guys Lightning Fast Carpet and Upholstery Stain Extractor. This professional-grade product breaks down stubborn stains effectively. The advanced formula targets embedded dirt and grime at the fiber source. Fresh scent accompanies the powerful cleaning action. Application works on carpets, fabric, and upholstery alike. Extraction power removes moisture along with cleaning solution. However, the powerful formula requires careful dilution for delicate fabrics. For tough stain extraction, Chemical Guys Lightning Fast is a professional choice. At number 3, we have the Resolve Carpet Cleaner Multi-Fabric. This budget-friendly option delivers proven stain removal performance. The spray formula is simple to apply without mixing or preparation. Safe use on household fabrics including car interiors. Effective odor removal accompanies the stain extraction. Quick drying formula minimizes moisture left behind. However, general household cleaners sometimes lack automotive-specific advantages. For economical stain removal, Resolve Multi-Fabric is a practical choice. At number 4, we have the P&S Professional Detail Products Carpet Bomber. This citrus-based formula removes grease, dirt, and odors effectively. Professional strength cleaning handles the toughest automotive stains. The 1-gallon bottle supports extensive detailing projects. Highly dilutable formula means strategic product stretching. Safe application in engine bays and wheel wells extends versatility. However, the concentrated formula requires careful handling and dilution. For professional strength results, P&S Carpet Bomber is an excellent choice. At number 5, we have the Rocco and Roxie Oxy Stain Remover. Oxygen-powered technology breaks down stains at the molecular level. The spray formula works on car seats and all fabric surfaces. Proven effectiveness on pet stains translates to general automotive use. Application is straightforward with no complex preparation steps. Safe use across upholstery, carpet, and couch materials alike. However, oxygen-based cleaners may require additional time for full effectiveness. For chemical-free stain removal, Rocco and Roxie is a solid choice. At number 6, we have the Carbona 2-in-1 Oxy-Powered Carpet Cleaner. The dual applicator design delivers targeted cleaning to specific spots. Oxy-powered formula penetrates stubborn stains quickly. The sponge and bristle applicator combo handles various stain types. Compact size fits easily in your detailing supplies kit. Fast-working formula minimizes waiting time between applications. However, smaller bottle size requires refilling for large upholstery areas. For targeted spot cleaning, Carbona 2-in-1 is a practical option. Coming up next, we have the Carfidant Car Interior Cleaner. This product combines stain removal with odor elimination in one formula. The no-residue finish keeps your upholstery clean and dry. Safe application on leather, fabric, carpet, and plastic without damage. The included microfiber towel assists with application and drying. Automotive-specific formulation outperforms generic household cleaners. However, combination products sometimes compromise on specialty performance. For comprehensive stain and odor control, Carfidant is an excellent choice.